How you can add text in the CamScanner app. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone. Now, go to the file or picture where you want to add text. Then, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. After that, swipe the bottom bar until you see the Add Text option. Tap on it. Now, type the words you want to add. You can move the text around and put it wherever you like. You can also make it bigger or smaller. And if you want, you can change the color of the text too. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the check mark to save it. There's also a button called Edit Text. If you tap it, you can pick any text you added earlier and change it. Tap Edit, fix the words or add new ones, then press Confirm. After that, tap Save, and then Done. And that's it. That's how you can add text in the CamScanner app.